Linguist announcement. New grammar.
From now on, we say can don't instead of can't.
Yeah. New parents can get no. They can.
Changes for no apparent reason sometimes.
Gnomes. Noam Chomsky's. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Chomsky gnomes.
Oh man. The scariest kind of gnomes of all. For negation, English comes before the verb. Okay, so first we need to remember that we need
More arms.
Yes. 4-month-old super.
17 arms.
Each of these ages is hard in a different way, right?
Man, all ages are hard in a different way.
Yeah, that's true. Right. So a German-English bilingual kid might say fife.
Quid.
Yes. Well, they're 1 pound. That's why.
They're very small, baby.
Yeah. Well, and they're talking real early too. Okay. Oh, I was gonna say precious little. Sorry. So.
It's not Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, I know, and it never will be.
Aww.
Do you like my? Whoop?
I did.
I'm Moti Lieberman, and this is the Ling Space.
You seem disappointed about that fact. Try again.
Aw. I'm Moti Lieberman.
Now you're laughing. It's not ideal.
We take their words and we clickly, yes. And then the that simple little vowel, it humbly tells us that there's blah, 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 blah. They start fighting for dominance.
That somehow looked dorkier than
Okay.
last time you did it. Try again.
Yeah. Since this is hard.
Oops, I touched the thing with my foot.
Yarr. Blur. Flan.
One, I think.
You walnut.
What do you call me a walnut? I hate walnuts.
Minced swears.
I also hate mint.
Well, mince.
Oh.
Yes.
Just thinking about how much I hate walnuts makes me think of how much I hate mint, and then that's
Wow.
what I hear.
Now I know what to make when I want you to not eat my food. All right.
Mint and walnut
yes.
fricassee.
Yeah. That sounds terrible. Bom, bom, bom.
Nope. No Carolines. Not allowed. Episode 8, Scene 19. Take me out to the ball game. Alright.
Take me out to the crowd.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the maxims that sits inside of our head, now we all have one.
Our common head.
Oh.
And on that note, my little brainlings.
Brainlings. Let's not have that be the thing, please. Yup. Okay, so this is our brain test.
So.
Waving around and doing things like people do. 3 cheers for brains! So like you might guess, these 2 parts have to... Nah. That's exactly what they have to do. Too much?
No, it was good. Your prying had insufficient fingers. You were prying like this.
All right. Okay, let's do it again. Yep. Okay.
Pieces of the skull.
Yep.
Yank.
Right.
And
Loosen up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Boop, 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 boop. It's always fun when I actually am editing this and it's like Alright.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes. Alright.
Just thinking about all those neural developments, it gets me drooling.
It's a little bit creepy in the wrong kind of way.
Try it again. You learned that we have specific regions in our brain dedicated to... Clearly mine doesn't work anymore, so... And we'll see you next Wednesday. Go.
No, you can't pretend to be like a
T-Rex.
little kawaii zombie.
Yeah.
Like if you're going to do the arm thing, like actually lumber off screen.
All right, okay. So we've reached the end of the Ling Space for this week. I always do that so sad.
Yeah.
Because I'm so sad, we're over.
But it's an accomplishment.
Yeah,
We
okay.
did it.
Right, okay.